Hello everyone, this is Veronica. You know what time it is? It is cafecito time, and I'm back with the fourth pumpkin spice latte for my pumpkin spice latte challenge. I did not skip a day, but I am a day late with my video because I just couldn't make it yesterday to try another latte. It's just been busy, crazy, hectic. You know how it goes. Life gets in the way. But anyways, today I am back with the fourth pumpkin spice latte. And today's pumpkin spice latte is from Krispy Kreme. So yes, Krispy Kreme sells coffee. I know they used to sell, I think, coffee bean and tea leaf, but now they have their own coffee, or it could be the same coffee just labeled under their name. Who knows? Who cares? Pumpkin spice latte. And today was actually a special day because I'm here at Krispy Kreme. I ordered the coffee. You have to order a couple donuts when you're at Krispy Kreme. And when I paid and I got my receipt, I'm looking for the price and I'm like, wait a minute. I got the latte for free. I guess I had a reward on the app. So it's always good to get the apps for coffee shops or donut shops or any of your favorite places, because sometimes you get rewards and you're not even expecting it or aware of it. So I got a free pumpkin spice latte. Yay me. So let's try it. This is the small. Again, I'm trying the small sizes from everyone. So although I got it for free today because of my rewards, and I had to look it up for the price, it is $4.09. So more than the 7-Eleven PSL, less than the coffee bean and tea leaf, and less than the Dunkin' Donuts. So it's a little bit on the, I wouldn't say cheap side, because $4 is still some money, but a little more affordable. Smells good. Okay, this one does not have whipped cream, which is fine. It's not as sweet as the Dunkin', which is good. Oh, I like it. It has a very subtle taste, but it still has those like spice flavors. Not very sweet. I know it's sweet because the syrups and sauces they use have sugar, but definitely not sweet like the Dunkin'. The Dunkin' was like extra sweet. It was good, but it was extra sweet. This one actually kind of, honestly, let me take one more sip. It kind of reminds me of the coffee bean and tea leaf one. Not exactly, but similar to it, where you taste the cinnamon, a little bit of the nutmeg, subtle pumpkin spice flavor. It's good. I like it. And it's a little bit on the cheaper side. So I think I'm going to be coming here for my pumpkin spice lattes. Yeah, it's good, you guys. I like it. And of course, they have the pumpkin donuts, which I have some here for later. Mr. Cafecito does not enjoy a pumpkin spice latte, but he really enjoys a donut. So I'll be sharing that with him later. But okay, so my rating for the Krispy Kreme pumpkin spice latte, I think I'm going to give it a 4 as well. I really like it. It reminds me more of the coffee bean and tea leaf. Not super sweet, has good flavor. Not, the pumpkin spice flavor is not too strong, but not too light like the 7-Eleven one. The 7-Eleven kind of tasted a little artificial. This one just tastes better, and it's not very sweet, and it's just good. Yeah, 4. I think 4 of them. Four cafecitos for the pumpkin spice latte from Krispy Kreme. Okay, here we go. The pros. The pros are the price. So it's definitely on the cheaper side at only $4.09. Another pro is I got it for free, so it was even cheaper for me. So if you have the app, check. You might have a free coffee and you could order this. I don't even know why I got it for free. But thank you, Krispy Kreme. So the price, I like the flavor. It's not very sweet, so that is a pro. Yeah, it's good. The cons, okay. The cons are, for me, I do have a Krispy Kreme fairly close, but here in Southern California, we only have very few Krispy Kremes. So they're usually not very close to many people. So for us, the con would be that there's not that many Krispy Kremes available. So every time I come to the Krispy Kreme, or when I do, it's always very busy because people come from a lot of places far. So that's a con. Two, it is always very busy when you go in there, and right now they have the hot donut sign, so you might have to wait in a long line. It's the same line, I believe, to order donuts and coffee. So a con might be you have to wait in a long line to order your pumpkin spice latte. Um, but other than that, I think it's good. I like it. I enjoy it. It's a good flavor. So yeah, go ahead and give this one a try. It so far, I think this is one of my favorites that I've tried so far. So everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying these videos. You know what to do. Subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Share our PSL challenge videos with your friends that love pumpkin spice latte. I might have to take a pause on videos for a few days, only because I've been researching places that have PSL, and I'm running out of places that are currently selling PSL. I know Starbucks is coming up in about a week, and a couple other places are coming up too. So I'll keep you guys posted on my community page if I'm going to take a pause until the other coffee shops and coffee chains have their pumpkin spice latte available. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks everyone for watching, and enjoy your cafecito.